Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike from Kit's Gaming Studio. I'm an indie developer. I'm going to go over a game I recently released on Steam. It's called Trading Tycoon. It's just a trading simulation. So let's go over, let's see. I've just been working on the market analysis skill tree, so I've unlocked everything, checking all the functionality. Let's go back here. I'm getting my alerts. Um, I might need to scale back on the alerts a little bit. They're kind of moving too fast. Maybe I put this to where, these breakouts are only detected at 5% and above. Um, and that would kind of slow the notifications, and that would be a more impact move. Just some thoughts going forward. Let me actually disable these notifications real quick. That way we don't see them popping up. You can see the screen a little bit better. Apply, resume. Okay, let's go over to news. We've got a little panel here for the news. We also have a bigger tab here for a complete news overlook. So I can just add these to my watch list by clicking the star button. Okay. I'm just going to clear them so I can see what is new when I come back. Okay. And this is a big breakout on this company. Star Wars program reboot. So let's head over here to the sectors. Okay, with the market analysis tree unlocked, we can see what the sectors are moving, either sideways, bear, or bull market. Then you can see the individual companies. Is this one's expected? This is a bull market. Then you have a neutral, and then you have your bear. So you can have still have some bear companies in your sideways market or bullish companies, but overall trend of the current market is sideways. Okay, let's go back here. Let's look at our performance dashboard. Before that, I'm going to take we see that pullback on this company. Let's see, I'm going to take 1,000. I'm just going to do a quick short here. Your fund constraint. Okay, so let's go over here to career. I forgot I was in a career here. So I'm in a career as a new trader, and my fund constraint. Let's see here, status. I can't trade options, I can't trade futures, and I can't short sell. So let's real quick. I'll resign from this position. Go back, and now I can take a short. Okay, 1,000 short here, and we'll let that run while I'm going over some of the information here. So I've got 5 wins, 6 losses. My win rate's 45%. Best trade's $93. You can see it in the trade log as well as per ticker, how many trades you take per company. Equity curve. Okay, just your basic stuff you would see in a dashboard, a performance dashboard. Okay, let's go back here. All right, we'll let that soak. Let's see what this company's doing. This company, okay, don't want anything on those two. I'll keep my Star Wars up there. Star Wars program reboot. Okay, skills. Let's go back. News. What kind of new news do we have? I like this 8% and 6%. This is a little bit older, so I don't. Okay, there's a good negative news one. Okay, let's sell. Okay, I actually want to buy this one back while I'm into the good. Okay, let's see. I'll change the quantity here, but if I click on the my portfolio, my position here, it'll change the quantity back. So I also want to buy this one out while it's still going down. So that's your news indicators. If you catch them quick enough, right, catch it while it's still going down, it'll eventually recover. Might trade down here a little bit and then recover. So it'll have a moving average. It'll graduate to the moving average, maybe a little bit bearish over time. So we can see the company news here is positive. So this thing's got a little bit of bearish news, but eventually it's going to graduate and probably come up here sometime, maybe a month or so from now, right? In game month, right? So Got some updates I got to do. I want to do also, let's unlock some skills here on advanced trading. Got my short selling leverage. Let's do leverage and do options and futures. And then after we do this, I'll finish up with applying back for a career and let you see those options. And then we'll end the video there. So options, what I want to do here, we're trading at 150 on GAD, right? So I want to go, maybe I think this call's going to come up, let's see, to 160. I want to buy that. Okay. Now if I go back, you'll see this position in your portfolio. You can't close it out from this order panel, but if you do click on it, it'll bring you back over here to the trade panel. Okay, so we are moving to positive here, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Okay, and then I got my achievement there. Well, I've got this build up to get the achievement. Okay, let's head over to futures. What do we have here? Okay, the crude oil. Okay, we've got gold. We've got wheat. Let's see, we got coffee. Apex, which is your blue chip. Okay, large cap. I've got a little asset guide here that tells you what each one is. Our tech index. Let's go long on our tech index. Now, when you enter position here, you're in with margin. So if you make a loss of 39.5K, it'll automatically close your position because you don't have the margin to cover it. Okay, even though I've got 220 in cash, I've only got 39.5K in margin here. I might update this to where it don't do that. I think this is a good gameplay element though, so that it automatically closes you and you can't use all your cash in the margin for this contract. Okay, and then we have our dollars. Okay, kind of mimics the real futures market, right? So, and just let me state, this does not follow how real stocks operate. It's just off of moving, the algorithm is just off of moving averages. Okay, it's not on order flow or anything like that. It just simulates a order flow where actually orders are not going in. So this will not simulate to real world performance. Okay, so let's come back here. Let's do I have any? I have my futures. Okay, that I just noticed that I need to add my future positions to the portfolio. Okay, so that's an update, a future update I need to do. I need to put a to-do list. I'll go ahead and close that for a little bit of a loss. Let's go back. Performance. Let's see, 66% win rate now. Let's go back and apply for a career, and we'll end the video there. So you get a kind of a, let's see if I have any offers. No offers, but I can apply. As long as you're in the green here, you can apply for the position. So I've taken enough trades. My win percentage is good enough, and my profit factor is good enough. That's tracked off your performance dashboard here. Okay, so profit factor. Let's see, yeah, profit factor, and then your win rate, and then that correlates with your whether you can apply at this prop firm or not. Let's get a lower. Let's see, 1 All right, this is a lower kind of. Prop firm 77 million, right? And this was 1.7 billion. So let's apply here. Then I can accept the role. And then you can sit on a desk here, right? There are smaller companies, so they don't have that many in their, they don't have that many traders hired. And I'm more of a momentum trader. So that's the desk I'll select. And you'll come over here to team. I can see me in the momentum desk. And then eventually, it's not currently right now, as this company grows, they'll hire more people here as well. Okay, so you'll see this roster change over time. And then you can see two traders are under the energy desk. Maybe this firm is more of a energy type firm. But I just applied for the momentum trader desk, and now, just like before, I even though I've unlocked it in my skill tree, I've got restrictions on what I can do. I can short sell with this company, but I can't trade options or futures until I build my to trader. Okay, there's a ladder here to roll. You go junior trader, trader, etc., all the way up to CEO. Okay, so that's kind of what I wanted to go over in this video. If you want to buy it, head over to Steam. It is live now, and I look forward to seeing your comments.